This hypnotic video is safe. You may listen to it as many times as you wish. First, please create a quiet environment where you will not be disturbed. Turn off any music. Now, let's find a comfortable position. You may sit or lie on your back. If sitting, place your hands on your knees. If lying down, keep your hands relaxed and away from your body. Close your eyes. Next, let's relax any tense parts of your body. If you are clenching your teeth, loosen them. Then, imagine your shoulder muscles loosening and relax them. Finally, relax the muscles around your stomach, imagining them becoming loose. Now, as preparation for entering hypnosis, let's take some deep breaths. Breathe not by expanding your lungs, but with diaphragmatic breathing, inflating your belly with air. Following my count, breathe in slowly, hold your breath a bit, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this diaphragmatic breathing 3 times. Focusing on your breath will calm your mind and body. Let's begin. I will count to 5, and as I do, slowly inhale, expanding your belly. Imagine your navel being pulled up towards the ceiling. Here we go. Breathe in slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold your breath. Now, exhale through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale completely. Breathe in again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold your breath. Now, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale completely. Once more, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold your breath. Now, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale completely. Return to normal breathing. If breathing feels more pleasant now, you are ready. Next, to make it easier to enter hypnosis, we will relax all the muscles in your body. Let's start by relaxing the muscles in your calves. Imagine them melting and becoming loose. Next, imagine the muscles around your knees melting and loosening. Now, imagine the muscles in your thighs and buttocks melting and becoming loose. Next, imagine the muscles in your back and shoulders melting and loosening. Then, imagine the muscles in your arms melting and becoming loose. Finally, imagine the muscles in your eyes and jaw melting and loosening. If your arms and legs feel heavy now, you are ready to enter hypnosis. In this state, focus on my voice and follow my instructions. I will now guide you into the world of hypnosis. Imagine you are standing in front of a staircase leading down to a basement. This basement has a red, soft carpet. It's quiet and very calming. Visualize the staircase and the basement. There are 10 steps leading down. When you reach the bottom, you will enter a deep state of hypnosis. I will count down as you descend each step. Let's start descending. First, step down to the 9th step. My voice is clear to you. Descend to the 8th step. Your breathing becomes easier. Down to the 7th step. You feel your arms growing heavy. Now to the 6th step. Your legs also feel heavy. Step down to the 5th. Your breathing is becoming deeper. Down to the 4th step. Your body becomes even heavier. Now to the 3rd. Your hands and feet are warming. Step down to the 2nd. A comfortable hypnotic state is beginning. One more step. You're almost at the bottom. My voice becomes clearer. Finally, step down to the basement and stand on the red carpet. You have now descended to the basement's red carpet. You are already in a state of hypnosis. Furthermore, I will count to 3, and you will fall deeper into hypnosis. 1, 2, 3. Now, you are in an even deeper state of hypnosis. In this deep hypnotic state, you can follow my voice and accept my instructions. Now, we will start the hypnosis for Stop Snoring. As you rest deeply, your body and mind are in perfect harmony. Every cell in your body listens and responds to the sound of my voice. With every word I say, you feel more relaxed and at peace. Your subconscious mind is open, ready to receive and act upon the gentle suggestions I offer. Imagine your breathing pathways, clear and open. Air moves freely in and out, smoothly and quietly. As you breathe in calmness, and breathe out tension, your body knows how to maintain this open, clear path even as you sleep. Your body remembers this feeling and works to keep your breathing quiet and smooth throughout the night. With every night that passes, you notice a significant improvement. You find yourself waking up feeling more rested and energized. Your sleep is deep and peaceful, free from any disturbances. Your mind and body work together in harmony to ensure your breathing is quiet and steady, keeping you in a state of deep rest. You are fully in control of your body and your breathing. Your subconscious mind is now programmed to help you breathe in a way that is quiet and efficient. You embrace this change, feeling proud and happy about the positive impact it has on your life and the lives of those around you. As you continue to listen to my voice, your subconscious mind reinforces these suggestions. Each time you hear them, they become more deeply embedded in your mind, more a part of who you are. You are becoming the version of yourself that sleeps quietly, deeply, and peacefully. Your confidence in your ability to sleep without snoring grows stronger every day. You feel a sense of peace knowing that you are doing something wonderful for your health and well-being. This confidence and peace fill you with joy, and you carry this positive energy with you, day and night. Remember, your mind and body are powerful allies. Together, they work to make the changes you desire, to bring about the peaceful, restful sleep you deserve. You have the power within you to sleep soundly, breathing quietly, night after night. As this session comes to a close, know that these suggestions are firmly planted in your subconscious. They are a part of you now, guiding you towards better, quieter sleep. You may continue to sleep if you wish. This video is safe. You can listen to it as many times as you like.